Guys, I am in downtown Manila here, and my brother-in-law wanted to bring me to this church, Quiapo Church. We finally found some parking here on this busy road, and let me tell you, this place looks really interesting from the outside. Let's go inside and take it. It's a landmark, and it's a place that a lot of people come and check out. Let's take a look. Here we are on the outside, and I don't know how many here, but I'm going to do some research on this and see how long this has been sitting here. But it looks like it's been sitting here for a long while. Now here's the front of the church. So we were on the side of the church on the main street here. And this is the front, the actual front of the church in this kind of like market, open market area, which is really cool looking. A lot of historical architecture around here too. Really cool pillars and stuff. Let's take a look at this church, man. Is the other side here of the church, and it's smack dab in the center of the city, right? Smack dab in the center of the city.
This one is luminous.
Baptized already? Na-baptize mo na yan?
Meron na sir sa umaga kasi nakita ko.
In the morning,
They bless it. They bless it.
Yung doon na sir, 50 lang sir.
50 pesos?
Yung malalaki kasi 100.
100, and magkano to?
350 to sir.
350.
Pero may kasama naman siya rosary.
Rosary?
To rosary.
There.